Let me tell you something very important. Most beginners lose money in binary options not because they are stupid, they lose money because they trade in the wrong time. They watch YouTube, copy strategies, add indicators, but nobody tells them when to trade. And this is exactly what we are fixing today. In this video, I will show you when the market is alive, when it is dead, and why trading at the wrong time can destroy even a good strategy. This video alone can save you a lot of money. Here is the truth. The market doesn't move the same way all the day, but sometimes the price moves randomly, slowly, without any directions. Beginners usually trade in the second situation. Why? Because they have free time at the night, because they are bored, or because they think strategy is everything. But timing is more important than strategy. You can have a simple strategy and good timing and be profitable, or you can have a perfect strategy and bad timing and lose. To understand timing, we need to talk about market sessions. Don't worry, it's very simple. There are three main trading sessions in the market. The first one is Asian session. During the Asian session, the market is usually slow. There is low volume and price moves in small ranges. This session is not beginner friendly. The second one is London sessions. This is where the market wakes up, big players enter the market, volume increases and the trends become clearer. This is one of the best sessions for beginners. The third one is New York session. This session is very active, sometimes very profitable, but sometimes aggressive and emotional. For beginners, the safest and easiest choice is London session and London-New York overlap. This is where the market actually makes sense. Now, let me explain why most beginners lose money at night. At night, the market is usually flat. Price goes up a little, then down a little, then up again. There is no clear direction. Indicators give false signals, strategies stop working, emotions take control. Beginners start clicking one trade, second trade, third trade, and suddenly the balance is gone. The problem is not binary options. The problem is trading when the market is sleeping. If you are trading from Europe, asset choice is very important. During London session, the best assets are EUR/USD, GBP/USD, EUR/GBP. These assets move smoothly, they respect trends, and they are so much easier to read. For beginners, I always recommend starting with EUR/USD. It's simple, clean, and logical. Now I want to show you something very important. Same asset, same strategy, same rules, only the time is different. Look at this market. No directions, price is jumping, candles are small. This is where beginners usually enter. And then they say, this strategy doesn't work. But the strategy isn't not problem. The timing is. Now look at the same asset during London session. Price moves clearly, trends are visible, entries make sense. Same strategies, different time. And completely different result. Here is a very simple rule. Trade less, but trade at the right time. You don't need to trade all day. 1 or 2 hours during London session is enough. No night trading, no bottom trades, no revenge trading. This rule alone can change your results. Binary options are not about speed. It's about discipline and timing. If you trade when the market is active, everything becomes easier. In the next videos, I will show you simple strategies, live trades with explanations, and how to trade without stress. Check the links below and subscribe to the channel.